So over here, I have this person constructor, and I'm going to convert it to a class. To start off with, I'm going to change the word function to class. And now after person, I'm going to drop the arguments onto the next line. In front of those arguments, I'm going to type out constructor. Now I need to wrap the constructor in additional curly braces to be enclosed within the class. Now below, I have this person prototype function here. So to convert this, I first start off by deleting person.prototype. Now I'm going to get rid of the equal sign and the word function. This is ready to go, so I just need to cut this out and paste it into my class after the constructor. Now I'm going to test this out to make sure that the class is functioning properly. So I'm going to start out with a variable called const person1. And now, just like a constructor, I'm going to set this equal to, using the new keyword, new, and the name of the class, person. And I'm going to pass in the arguments of Stacy Smith. Below on the next line, I'm going to call the introduce method on the person1 variable. And also on the following line, I'm going to console log person1. Now in my terminal, I want to run this file using node person.js. And there are two items here. There is the introduce method that is called, and we see the person object. And what I want to point out here is that this person object will look the same whether being created through a constructor or a class. The reason being is that classes are syntactical sugar for constructors. What does syntactic sugar mean? It means when a programming language offers a cleaner and shorter way to write the same code, so there is no technical difference between a constructor and a class. Now I'm going to comment out the 3 lines over here, and I'm going to make a new class, and that class is going to be called doctor, and it's going to inherit from the person class. So the way I write this is class doctor extends person. Now, this extends keyword is stating that this doctor class is going to inherit from the person class. Without going into the class any further, I'm going to demonstrate this just by using this extends keyword. Down below, I'm going to create a new variable, const doctor1, setting it equal to new doctor with the arguments of Jordan Manning. Now with inheritance, I should be able to call the introduce self method. So doctor1 introduce self. And now I'm going to run this in the terminal. Node person.js, and the introduce self method is displaying its message in the terminal from the doctor object, showing that the doctor class is inheriting from the person class. Thanks for watching and happy coding.